Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Nazia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm extremely sorry that last week I haven't uploaded any vlog because I was not feeling well and I'm having a very migraine headache, so I couldn't do any type of vlog also. So I'm feeling very bad that I have missed one vlog last week. So this time I am coming with this vlog is all about skincare and body care, especially the pharma products, not branded products or anything. It's totally pharma products, Indian based pharma products. Since long time onwards, since I think 2020, when the COVID has came and everybody's locked up, that time I had a very bad acne on my face. So I digged so many things in YouTube about the Indian pharmacy, Indian pharma products or pharma care products. So some of the products didn't work on my face, some of them has worked. So since 2020 I keep continuing the pharma products rather than the branded products. So might be that is the reason my skin right now is really good. And let's start. First of all, I would like to tell about the face wash. So the face wash I use mostly is Simple or Cetaphil, because Cetaphil is also a pharma product, but Simple is like optional. Sometimes I use, sometimes I might not use, but the most favorite these days I am using, and I already been using and switched back to this product, is Sebamed. So the Sebamed is cleansing foam. I already told before also in of my previous vlogs that this foam based cleanser is really good. And the second is who has a heavy acne, especially the heavy acne or anything, or before PMS you will get a lot of acne on your face. So for that period of time you can use this salic Cipla Salic DC. This is really very good. It has reduced my pimple redness and especially the itchy, because my skin is very dry, very dry. And I like used many products but I never got satisfied result. But this one for acne people is a really best face wash. It's about a body wash or body soap. So I've been using very long time body wash which is having a PHP 5.5. Even though in other brands in the market you will have a PHP 5.5, but I don't know why I love only pharma products to apply on my body, especially body wash and body lotion. So why it is, because my skin is extremely dry. It means dry means dry. Literally I'll post a picture how it is actually. So I don't want to take any risk with the market products. It's not that the market products are not good, it is very good, but it doesn't suit my skin. So I've been using a soap or body wash, one soap and one body wash, which is Perobar. This soap is extremely good and very moisturizer soap, and it clears all your body dust or any type of dust or bacteria, and even also it will helpful for your itchy skin also. So this is my most favorite soap. If I want to switch sometimes to a body wash also, then I use aloe vera moisturizer body wash. You can see that. So this is literally skin friendly body wash. I would say it's a very skin friendly body wash, and it also smells so good. But it's having a high level of pH. So it's already doctor recommendation, and as well as before doctor recommendation I already started using this. Then when I went to dermatologist, I told that I am using this body wash. She said you have chosen very good body wash. So definitely it's a very good body wash if anybody has very extreme dry skin, itchy skin, or sometimes you feel like skin is burning. So this is the best. I'll give one more soap where I will post here, that is Ethiclor. I'm pronouncing it correct, because that soap I use weekly 2 times for a tan removing. It's a very good soap for tan removing, but it takes little time to show the result, but it's definitely best soap. So definitely I recommend for tan. So next I will let you know what moisturizer I use for my body and as well as my face, because there are two moisturizers which I use mostly. One is right now out of stock. I kept the order. It still has not arrived yet, but definitely I'll post that picture. That is Moist. So the Moist is really very good moisturizer. You can apply on your body or on your face. A part of Pilgrim and Aqualogical and Neutrogena, those are my market branded moisturizer, but mostly I use Pharma, which is Moist. I already has been posted a photo here. So that is the best face moisturizer I ever use. It's not oily, it's not sticky, it always give you very plump and everything. So the second product is Moisturex. Okay, I think you are not able to see it, but definitely I'll post a picture here. So this moisturizer I apply for body, especially it has a lactic acid and also glycolic, and it's a liquid based paraffin cream. So very good moisturizer. You can compare this moisturizer with CeraVe. Also CeraVe is almost 1500 box with but this is just around, I think 300 rupees. I get this for 1 month, whole 1 month. So not even whole month, 20 days max, because I apply morning and night. So don't forget to apply moisturizer morning after shower and in the night before going to sleep. So this is the best body moisturizer. So yes, when it comes to face, I already told the moisturizer because I use this one only, but there is one more product which I use is a hyaluronic acid gel one. It's a tube. I'll post the picture here. So usually after toner I apply that hyaluronic acid gel one, and then I'll apply this moisturizer. The mostly sunscreen I use is ISDN and Hello Care, a part of Crosscur's brand. So if I have to go with the Pharma, then these are the two products which I use, and these are the very Pharma based, friendly, and you won't get itchy. And I always prefer sunscreen should be water based rather than cream based. So I don't like a cream base until unless if I am applying any makeup, then I use a cream based sunscreen. Otherwise I'll go for a water gel sunscreen. So these two are the best sunscreen ever I found it in Pharma products. These are all skincare. Now the products which I am talking about in rest of the vlog is a little dedicated one for me especially. So the first product is a benzoyl peroxide gel. You get this in 2.5% and as well as 5%. And why I use this mostly, it helps me for acne clear. It helps my bumpy skin, especially whoever have a bumpy skin, like uneven skin or bumpy skin or pimple marks or anything. It calms down your skin. It doesn't make you irritate your skin, and this is one of the all-in-one product, I would say. I might get sometime lazy, I can't apply some other products which I really want to, so definitely I'll go with this one product and I apply and I sleep, and it will show you magic. It takes little time, around 3 to 4 weeks, but definitely you will see a lot of result, and you can use this for anything like pimple or bumpy skin or irritated skin, anything. So the best product ever. I don't think so how many years onwards I'm using this product, but definitely it's been more than 5 to 6 years, I think more than that. So the best product. Now I'll tell you how your hard, like a very strong stubborn acne marks has to get removed, because I'll show you very closely. See, still it's showing little bit because these marks are very dark from me from very long time. It's from very long time, like almost very long time, but it has been lighten up with all these products. So the first product I'll tell you is a salicylic acid. It's a 1% one. So this product, whenever I would say, I think very like a 20s people can, first you can start with this rather than moving to some other. First start with this. You can apply on your acne marks or any uneven tone marks also. It will definitely work. And the second is this Tretinoin. I think many celebrities are using this. This is my most favorite acne mark, especially very stubborn acne mark products, and I don't think so you can beat with this anything because I think this is the second or third tube, I think, because this tube long last like almost you will get many years, I mean 1-2 years, I think so. So definitely it's really good. And I have been almost completed. See, it's almost completed. So little bit, not too much. Anything, any pharma products you use more than a pea size, don't take it more than a pea size. So these two products are really very good for acne marks and as well as on acne also. Another 3 products I'll tell you, especially about the pigmentation. So the pigmentation is having a lot of issues these days for people who are young generation. They might have a pigmentation around mouth, or sometimes on the forehead, or sometimes this side. So some people will have this side. So anywhere it is, like, it's fine. Like, everybody's skin is not flawless or perfect. You have to maintain that, then only it will come into a very good color skin, whatever it is, in a flawless way. So I'll tell you 3 kojic acid and glycolic acid and arbutin acid mixed pharma based products. So the first one I'll tell you, the most favorite one is I do have a lot of pigmentation, especially my mouth, and this one, only this part and this part. So can you see that difference? Like, it's nothing now. So this is the Cleargels Plus. I think you can see it. Yes, this is the Dr. Reddy's brand. I tried from almost 6-7 months I'm trying this, but I couldn't find anywhere. But this shows magic, and you no need to use much also. It's just very small amount. You can apply all over your pigmentation. This shows magic. Like, you can see almost within 2 weeks the result. The second 2 products are these 2. I think many doctors, dermatology doctors, has been telling in the shorts or in the vlogs about these 2 products. The most favorite products. If you want, I can post the picture. Actually, I will post the pictures here of these 2 so that you can check out. Beautiful product to clear the pigmentation. I would say I can't say much about this best products. So the another product I would like to say is about the dark circles. I do have a lot of dark circles because I work night shifts, sometimes morning shifts, so sometimes shoots. So definitely, even though if you sleep nicely also, it will show up your dark circles. So I do have a very less dark circles because I've been using this product from very long time. Before, I used to use Estee Lauder eye cream. I can compare with this actually. The one of the biggest brand, and this one is equal, I would say, definitely, because I already used those 3 bottles of Estee Lauder. Then I switched to this because I don't have that much money to spend on those brands, because it's not that they are not good, they are very good, but I go into the budget especially, and I like to tell in the budget. So definitely the Eye Bliss. The Eye Bliss is really a very good under eye cream. It takes time. I know it takes time, because dark circles going out, fading out is like showing flawless eyes under, I mean, like surrounded to your eyes. It takes time. Definitely any biggest brand, whatever it is, it takes time. You have to be very patient about that. So especially for under eye. So Eye Bliss is really very good under eye cream, and I mean, like, with blindedly I can recommend to anybody this one, like very good under eye cream, and it doesn't cost you much also. I think it's around 200 or 250 rupees. The final product I would like to tell is about itching, like allergy. So most of the people will get allergy for some unnecessary reason, like if you go in dust or you go into the pollution like outside, or if you have any other type of vitamin less in your bodies, like whatever it is like required, you get lot of itching on your body and you like literally can't control. Because why I'm telling this, because I already had that problem before, because of some food I get allergy a lot. I couldn't control myself and I scratched like a hell. So even my mother is also having that issue. So itching is literally, it looks so embarrassing in front of people, like itching it. So what I have been came through is that Candid powder. I know it doesn't, it's just 150 170 rupees. It will stop your itching, the itching marks will go away, and also the fungal issue also on your skin, it will rectify this. So definitely Candid is really, this dusting powder is really very good. I would definitely prefer, because especially in the summer many people get itchy with sweat also. So definitely it's like, see, sweat rash, skin irritation, itching, fungal infection, this is the only one treatment you can do for that. Spending on lots of doctors, creams and medicine, at last I came for this. So this one, and the second is this cream, the same Candid one with, it's almost finished. Because me and my mother is using this one, because we do have a lot of dust allergy, or sometimes sweat, with lot of sweat also we get itchy. So I think this one is around 6th or 7th tube, I think. So this is for helping out for your itchy body. I might tell you all this product in random way, but it's all pharma related to your body and skincare. So the most important and last I have kept myself is that anti-aging pharma cream. So this anti-aging pharma cream I've been using from very long time. I would like to tell you about that, because let me get out the picture of that first. So this is the one. So this is Dermatic Retinol Kojic plus HA, hyaluronic acid as well. So this anti-aging is the best cream. I would definitely refer anybody who want to start the anti-aging cream. It will give you a regeneration on your face, like it will disappear your wrinkles. It show results very nicely within 1-2 months. I would say only one thing before you start using all this pharma product, keep yourself patience, because the pharma products takes time, but definitely it will show a 100% result. So the best anti-aging, who want to start anti-aging product, this is the baby step you have to start. These are the products I especially use in the pharma. These are the best product and I have been using from 5 years onwards. So definitely I would like to share about that. So I have shared it. So I know it's been a very long vlog, and I hope you like this vlog. If you really need anything else, you want to know about any type of pharma products, please comment me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please do watch whole vlog, then only it will count in my views. So please keep supporting, keep loving, and I'm signing off right now. See ya.